Hi, my name is Leong and my matric number is 301051. Today, I will present the low fidelity prototype for my project, which is Crowdsourced borrowing app. This is a mobile application designed to promote responsible consumption by enabling users to lend and borrow everyday items within their local vicinity securely and conveniently. This prototype demonstrates the complete user journey defined in my functional requirements, covering the borrower, lenders, and administrator perspective. It visualizes the core flows from KYC verification to item listing, and finally, the transaction completion. Let's begin with the user registration process. As you can see, the app's open with a welcome screen. So the new user can register a new account before login. So we click on the register button. So here, user need to input username, email, password, phone, and location. After the registration, user can log in to access the platform. User need to input username or email and password in the platform. So if the user forgot the password, they can click here to reset the password. They need to enter the email address to receive a link to reset the password. So now I will log in as guest. For security and trust, the platform requires KYC verification. Users need to upload their identification document for admin review. So we go to the profile page, click on the KYC verification. And here we need to upload ID document. Either is a IC, passport, or driving license. The next, need to take a selfie and hold our ID. After that, we need to wait the admin to review and approve our KYC document. So this ensures all users are verified, creating a server borrowing environment. So next, we go to the home page. The home page displays available items based on user location. Each item shows a picture, video, title, price per day, distance, lender rating, and description. User can also view all review for the item to make informed decision. Here you can see they have a item review. So beside that, users can save item to their favorite for quick access later by clicking the heart icon. So the favorite item can be accessed from the profile section. Then click my favorite. So you can see beside that, user also can search for specific item using keywords or location. Additionally, user can apply filter based on item condition, price range, and render rating. Find exactly what they need. Moreover, user can list a new item by click this button. So they need to upload the photo, videos, title, description, category, price per day, minimum duration, and maximum duration. So besides that, lender also can manage their own listing from my listing in their profile. They can edit the item details, toggle availability to hide or show items, and delete listing. They also can list a new item. So this gives lender full control over their inventory. Next, when a user wants to borrow an item, they need to select an item and then click request to borrow and specify the rental period and debts. Then the rental fee is automatically calculated based on the duration and daily rate. We click on the send request. So the request is sent to the lender for review. So now the borrower can track the status in item I am borrowing. As you can see, pending status. So the borrowers also can chat with the lender to discuss detail or ask the question to the lender. Now, let's switch to the lender's perspective to see how they handle incoming requests. So, lender will receive a notification about new borrowing requests. They can view the request in item I am lending. lender can approve or decline the request. Once the lender approves, the borrower proceeds to payment. Come to the item I am borrowing. The borrower need to proceed to payment. Click the pay now. So the platform support multiple payment methods, including credit or debit card, e-wallet, or online banking. After successful payment, a receipt is generated and the status changed to handover pending. So now, both parties can now arrange the physical handover. The transaction follows a three-phase process with a photo verification for safety and accountability. So for the first one, handover, when meeting for handover, both lender and borrower need to take photo of the item condition. Both borrower and lender must upload photos before the handover is complete. We come to the lender view. We collected, click confirm handover, and we need to submit the photo and gallery. So for the borrower side, handover pending, need to confirm a receipt by upload photo and click confirm pickup. So if one party doesn't upload within 24 hours, the system will send the reminder to both. So let's come to the phase 2, active rental. So during the rental period, users can view the return date and contact each other if needed. We come to the lender view. So the active status, and here we can see the item in a period. So now we can check with the borrower. So we come back, then we go to the borrower website. So the active status, also can see the lender, the items, the period, and we can check with lender. So now we come to the phase 3, return. When returning the item, both lender and borrower need to take photos to document the condition. So we go to the lender view first. The status, return pending. Need to upload return photos. For the borrower side, return pending. The borrower also need to upload the return photos. So once both party confirm the return with photos, the transaction is marked as complete. Lender view is complete. For the borrower side, is complete. Next, after transaction completion, the borrowers can leave reviews for both the lender and the item. Come to the item I am borrowing, completed, and here you can see you can leave a review for lender or item. So first, we go to review lender. And here we can rating a star, write a review and using the quick text. For the review item is also same. So for the lender side, they can also rate and review the borrowers. Come to item I'm lending, completed. You can leave review for the borrower. Rating a star, review, and quick text. So this rating build reputation and trust within the community. User can view their received review in their profile. This one is the average rating star, the how many item lend and how many item borrow. So beside that, the user can also look all transaction history at the profile page. As you can see, these are the recent transaction. So now let's look at how the app keep user informed through notification. The alert pad keeps user informed about all important activities. For example, user receive notification for new borrowing request approval or rejection, payment confirmation, upcoming return reminders, new message, and KYC verification status updates. So this will ensure user never miss important update about their transaction. Here you can see request, message, and reminder. And the top we can see they have a two unread and we have a button to mark all read. So beyond individual transaction, the platform also fosters community interaction. Next, the community tab provides a social feed where users can share posts, tips, and announcements. As you can see, we can like the post or we can comment the post. So users also can create their own post to share with the community. We need to click on this button and we can input our sentence, upload our photos, and choose a location. Click on the post. Now we can choose all posts or nearby to see all the posts. So next, we move to the chat page. So these features enable direct communication between users with support for text message and file sharing. And here we can see we can type a message. To share media, user need to click the attachment icon and choose from camera, gallery, or video option. So this rich communication helps user coordinate, meet up, and discuss item detail effectively. Finally, let's look at the administrative side of the platform. Now we scroll down and click on the admin dashboard. So administrators have access to a dedicated dashboard with platform statistics and management tools. Here we can see how many total users, active listing, pending KYC, reports, pending listing, and transaction. So for the pending listing, admin can review and moderate all new item listing before they go live. As you can see, this is one of the review listing. So the admin can write the moderation notes. The admin can reject or approve listing or request changes to the lender. Next, for the pending KYC approval, admin can review. They can approve or reject the KYC submission with uploaded documents. For the reported content, admin can investigate and resolve reported content. Here we can click on the dismiss or remove content button. At the bottom we can see they have a reason activity that done by users or admin. So this admin function ensure platform quality and user safety. In summary, this borrowing platform prototype provide secure user authentication with KYC verification, password recovery for account security, comprehensive item discovery with search and filters, safe transaction with photo documentation, dual review system for lender and items, real-time notification for all activities, community interaction and rich media messaging, robust administrative controls. So this platform creates a trustworthy peer-to-peer lending ecosystem that benefit both borrower and lenders. Thank you for watching this video.